The city would like to remind building owners and business managers of the importance of restoring water quality to businesses after reduced or ceased operations in response to COVID-19. Restoring water quality to businesses is done by flushing stagnant water caused by reduced or non-usage of water from the internal plumbing of the building. When water sits in the internal plumbing of buildings for so long, it loses its disinfectant properties provided by the chlorine in the city's treated and distributed water. This reduction or elimination of the chlorine residual creates conditions where bacterial growth can occur. Flushing with fresh water from the city's distribution system replenishes your plumbing with high-quality water free of bacteria. To flush your plumbing system, turn on each faucet within a building and let the water run until a noticeable difference in clarity and cooler temperature is observed. Remember to flush hot water lines as well, also looking for a noticeable difference in clarity, and instead wait until a hotter temperature is observed. Additionally, flush all commodes and urinals at least 3 times each. Don't forget to drain and clean water heaters, clean water storage facilities, and ice makers, as they have held stagnant water as well. For more information on restoring water quality, please see the EPA's guidance sheet and checklist or the CDC's guidance page and toolkit. For questions regarding the city's operational response, please contact the Utilities Customer Service Division at 909-798-7516.